A video showing the terrifying moment of several car drivers who were caught off guard during a landslide triggered by a 7.4 magnitude earthquake in Taiwan has gone viral on social media. In a dashcam that captured the moment, a black car is seen traveling along a road before it stops when the tremors occur. Moments later, plumes of white smoke are seen and the car in the front is seen reversing. The car with the dashcam also reverses and a huge rock is seen falling on the side of the road. As the car in the front reverses and stops for a while, a boulder comes crashing down and strikes the black car from behind. The car with the dashcam then reverses again before a crashing boulder narrowly misses it. Several more boulders are seen falling on the road. On Wednesday, a 7.4 magnitude earthquake struck Taiwan, killing 9 people and injuring more than 1,000 others. It was the country's strongest earthquake in 25 years. The earthquake struck just before 8 a.m. and centered off the coast of rural and mountainous Hualien County as people were readying to go to work or school. In Hualien, buildings inclined at dangerous angles and ground floors crushed, while in the capital Taipei, buildings shook violently and tiles from older buildings fell.